How to log in into Rhode Island sales tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Rhode Island sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I will use Safari. Now on the search bar, search for Rhode Island sales tax login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From this different website and links, click on the first one that says RI Tax Portal. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Here on this page, it says that maximum of 3 sign-in attempts are allowed. After 3 failed sign-in attempts, the account will be locked. So be careful while entering the user ID and password. Now enter your correct user ID and password and tap on sign-in option. And in case you have forgotten your user ID and your password, simply tap on forgot user ID or forgot password option, as it doesn't allow the 3 multiple failed sign-in attempts. So that's all. In this very simple way you can log in into Rhode Island sales tax account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.